Okay, this is Fishing 101. First thing you're going to need, a chum bag, a chum block, frozen chum block. Put that in the water, let it start to thaw, give it about 5 or 10 minutes and see if any fish show up. Got some mangrove snapper under there already. Some good size ones too. Minutes. I got a handful of snapper back here. Some of them pretty good size too. And a nurse shark down under there. Once again, this chum bag is what's bringing them all up here. There's 4 or 5 different species in there. There's some pinfish, some barjacks, looks like some blue runners, and of course your nurse shark. This is first and foremost thing that I use right there. Chum block, chum bag, voila, fish. Okay, now let's look at the rig we're going to use. Got an aquarium down there. Fishing menagerie. Look at them all. All because of chum block. See? $6-7. Get a chum block in a bag. Bring the fish. Get them aggressive. Let them start feeding. Pretty soon anything you toss in there just gets hammered, and usually by the bigger ones because they're more aggressive. Alright, let's take a look at our rig. Alright, this is what I'm going to be using. It's about a $14 or $15 spinning outfit. I've got it spooled up with 15-pound test. I like to have a little bit smaller test on it, but that's what I got. I got her all put together. This is the size of hook I'm using. This is a number 2 eagle claw bait holder hook. I wouldn't mind having a little bit smaller here for the snapper fishing because they got good sight. I'm baiting up with shrimp. I'm using frozen shrimp. Let's have a look at our menagerie down there. Oh, they're growing. There's some good ones down in there too. All because of that chum block. Okay, so I got some frozen Bait Masters bait shrimp, not for human consumption. Stuff's kind of expensive. I think it was $4, $3.99 for a little thing here. But hey, you know, fishing is expensive, right? Okay, so I got some shrimp. Chop them up in little pieces with the scissors. This is the size hooks I'm using. These are, like I said, number 2 size eagle claw bait holders. Something everybody needs, a little hook out device. Gotta have it. It's the law here in Florida. Oh, Mr. Shark down there. There's some good size snappers in there too. Gotta watch that Mr. Shark doesn't get our chum bag. Here he is. Oh, he saw me. He's like, oh, I don't know, man. They're just going nuts. Mr. Shark's over there. We'll keep our eye on him so he doesn't munch our bag. Alright. So what I'm going to do is start tossing these little chunks of shrimp that I cut up with the scissors into the water. Just get them hopped up. Give them the idea that there's free food to be had here. We're going to try to fool some of these big ones that are in there. There's our shark. Look at him. Right up there trying to eat the bag. He's a little booger. Look at him. There's one down in the bottom there too, a small one. Alright. I generally use a peeled shrimp on there and try to hide the hook in there best that you can. Like I said, I wouldn't mind having a smaller hook today, but these are the smallest that I really have. I'm going to try to hide that hook in there because these snapper are really wary. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to toss some more pieces in there. There's Mr. Shark cruising around down there. Alright, so we throw them in there. Now I'm going to see if I can pull one of the bigger ones. Well, that's a little one. I'll pull it away from him. That was quick. Coonster. So you got to get around some of these little ones in order to get a big one, right? There's Mr. Shark up here looking to get a bite of our bag. Hey, get out of there. Look at him. Get out of there. He doesn't want to leave it alone. Beat it. Alright, so we get a bag of shake. Let's get them all gone. You just want to drop it in there. Oh, we got two sharks up there now. Let's see if we can fool one of these big snapper. No, he's not a big one. No. The little ones are quick. Quick like the Easter bunny. Alright, you hold still. No, don't puke on me. Come here, you. What are you? Fighting like crazy. Looks like a big trout or a red. Whoa. Holy crap, it's a grouper. Big black. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Nice. Nice grouper. Look at that. You just never know what you're going to catch. Nice grouper. Num num. Oh, there's a nice one. Probably keeper. Let me swallow the hook. Bad boy. Oh, that's a good one. Getting bigger. Getting dumber. There we go. Pinch off the head, pinch off the tail. Try to hide the hook. They're finicky, as you can see. There's big ones in there. If we can just fool one of them. Give the chum bag a shake. Get him excited. Plop it in there. Hope for a big one to grab it, nab it. Come on. Mr. Pinfish. Yay, self-release. Those are the best kind, right? Just hordes of them down there. Gotta get by one of the little ones. Get these big ones. No, 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 not the little ones. Gotcha. Uh-oh. No, 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 not you pinfish. No, no. Come here. Same piece of bait. Let's put it back down there. Where are they all hiding? Mr. Little Mangrove. There's so many big ones in there, and these little ones keep beating them to it.